I start by taking St. Bart's and Ibiza, and using the Eda brush, I'm going to apply this custom shade to the tops of the cheekbones, putting the highlighter right around the orbital bone. My pro tip is to use the Eda brush to create your highlight, color, and contour. Now I'm using the 1 to 2 cheek palette, and I'm selecting the color Penthouse, which is a matte raspberry shade, and I'm using this to add definition and contour to the cheeks, making sure to blend it high up onto the cheekbone. Then using the color Queen, which is more of a ruby undertone, I'm going to apply this to the cheeks as the main blush color and blend back into the hairline. I'm now taking the color Ambition, which is a satin finish and has more of a tangerine undertone. I'm using this to blend the colors further up into the highlight. And there you have it, using the 1 to 2 cheek palette for color and dimension.